In this video, I'm going to show you how you can preserve your potato, how you're going to keep it so that it's not going to spoil. I am the type that's always buy a lot of potato and keep, but I end up not eating all of them because most of them spoil, and I end up eating potato like every day so that I can finish eating it. But with this method I'm going to show you, I have used it to preserve most of my potatoes and I no longer rush to eat potatoes. Come along, let me show you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to peel the potatoes and cut it in the size which I want to use it for. Like I want to use this one for beans. While I am boiling the hot water, I'll wash the potatoes and make sure that they're very clean. Then I will pour the potato inside the boiling hot water and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. While my potato is cooking, I'm going to get block from the freezer and break it into smaller parts and put it inside a bowl of water. The reason for this is to put the potato inside cold water so that it will stop the cooking process. Now it's already 5 minutes of boiling the potato. I'll strain water from the potato and put the potato inside the ice water so that it's going to stop the cooking process and the hotness is going to go out. It's going to be cool. So because the ice was almost melting before the 5 minutes, I have to cool it with ordinary water. That's why I am putting water on it so that all the whole hotness will go away from it. So now the potato is ready. I'm going to strain out the water and then go to the next stage, which is the last stage. So here I put pepper inside tray and then I began to spread the potato inside it. So after this, I'm going to put the potato inside the freezer so that it's going to block. So once it's blocked, we can be able to keep this potato as long as you want, in as much as there is constant light and your freezer is always blocked. So with this method, as you can see, this potato is so fresh. It didn't turn black. Normally if you keep potato in the freezer, when you bring it out, it's not always good. It's going to turn black. But with this method now, this potato is going to remain fresh like this. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. This is the simplest way to preserve your potato. So watch out for my next video where I will be using this potato. It's either for beans or for potato porridge. Check out this video on how to preserve your potato if you don't have freezer.